everyone, this is Vaishnavi from Auro Realty. I extend a warm welcome to the Q1 construction update until March 2024 for the Regent project located in Kondapur. It's a delight to be here again to provide you with the latest developments. Let's start with phase 1, where the structural work in all 3 towers, that's Serene, Esteem and Pristine, are completed. Works are in progress on the ground floor podium in the non-tower areas and concrete seeding in the basement. The slab and beam erection works have reached 95% of completion. Podium waterproofing work has commenced. While the underground sump works have been completed, the construction setup of the sewage treatment plant is underway. Coming to the clubhouse, the above terrace slab works are in progress. Talking about the internal works, gypsum plastering works are completed for all the 3 towers. The internal putty works up to the second court have been successfully completed for all the 20 floors across 3 towers, including the staircase. Additionally, internal painting works have commenced. The flooring works for living, drawing and bedroom and installation of the floor tiles along with skirting for Serene Tower is 100% complete, followed by 95% and 90% for Esteem and Pristine Towers. However, the works for the utility and balcony are in progress. Progress on the internal door works has been completed up to the 4th floors in Pristine and Serene Towers, respectively. Additionally, installation is underway for 2 floors in Serene, with work in progress on the remaining floors. Aluminium window installation works are ongoing, with almost 8th floor complete for Pristine and Serene Towers, while work for Esteem is still in progress. Corridor gypsum false ceiling framing is currently underway with an average of 10 floors completed in each tower. External painting for all 3 towers is halfway done, with the remaining work in progress. Additionally, electromechanical and firefighting works have been completed up to the terrace floor for all the 3 towers. The electrical conduit installation has now reached the terrace level, and work is underway on the internal wiring and fixing of AC copper pipes for all the 3 towers. Additionally, the plumbing in the toilet areas for all 3 towers is finished up to the 39th floor. In phase 2 for the Dazzlene Tower, 11th floor slab work are in progress. For the Celestine Tower, the foundation works are in progress. To round off this update, we are thrilled to share that 70% of the inventory in phase 2, that is Dazzlene and Celestine Tower, is now sold out. Now, it's your turn to own these larger units ranging between 1950 to 2191 SFT. We trust this video has provided you with valuable project insight. Thank you for your continued support and do visit our site office for more valuable updates.